What's up, y'all? Y'all just know I go. It's your boy B back with another video. I'm in the streets hustling, y'all. Feels good. Feels like I'm back in the day right now because I'm in the street hustling. And I have a few things to show you guys that I wanted to show you. If you guys are watching this, man, first I want to say thank you. Second, I want to say please like this video because you guys know how much I love likes. So I'm trying to get this video to double digit likes. So 10 would be great, 12 would be awesome, 20 I would drop and just say, oh my God, drop it on the floor wherever I'm at, like, oh my God, okay? But guys, you know how I am. I just love the support, whatever I can get. But nevertheless, I am currently hustling right now. About to meet up with a phone buyer. About to pick up some some Apple Watch Ultras. But there's a problem, okay? And the problem is this particular person has been BSing me for a while, and I don't like that. You feel me? I don't like that. Okay, I'm a hustler. Okay, and if you're not going to be a part of the hustle, I will quickly just move on. And what I see with a lot of phone wholesalers, okay? Now, let me again dissect what a phone wholesaler is to me, okay? Somebody that is going to consistently bring you phones, all right? They have a whole system. This is what they do for a living. They literally get phones and sell them. That's it, okay? That is what I consider a phone wholesaler to be. And this person, he has his own system, whether he has people going to stores for him, whether he's going into stores. I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know. But one thing I do know is that they help you make a lot of money, okay? They help you make a lot of money. And currently, he has been helping me make money. But as of lately, he's been acting just weird. Like he thinks that, I guess, he's more valuable than me, or he's valuable to me so he can just act any way he wants. Not the case, okay? I don't need you, okay? Let's make this clear. I don't need you, and that's what you got to make sure these wholesalers understand. Let them know I'm willing to walk away from a $6,000 deal. I'm willing just to walk away. I'm not going to sit there and just be a puppet or take less than what I feel like I deserve because you don't want to go down on the price, or you think that you just too good. You feel me? Like, that's not about to happen. Okay, so he had to learn that. And I will insert the text messages if I remember. But basically what happened was, it was one night he was supposed to be bringing me a whole bunch of phones. And I'm like, all right, bet he's about to bring me these phones. Everything about to be good, right? So he was supposed to, I'm not parking there. That thing just lit on fire. Oh my God. This person's car just lit on fire, I guess. So anyway, this person was supposed to be, I guess, bringing me these iPhone 14s, right? So when he was texting me, I was anticipating him pulling up and bringing me the phones, right? Long story short, he did not bring me the phones at all, okay? He didn't bring me the phones at all. He was like, yeah, your price is too low. I'm like, okay, my price is too low. That sounds good, but what like, are you going to still bring the phones? And he never texts back. So him not texting back at that point made me think, okay, cool. But that was just rude of you not even to text back. You just pulled out of a deal out of nowhere. So he hits me up the next day. He's like, oh yeah, bro, I didn't even think that you wanted to do business and everything. And it's like, no, I thought you didn't want to do business. You know what I mean? I'm just literally reacted off of you. But nevertheless, we ended up talking, and he ended up explaining to me that basically he did want to do business. He just didn't have a certain amount of phones unlocked, and he just wanted to get a certain price and all this other stuff. Long story short, we're here now to where me and him are supposed to be meeting, and he's supposed to be actually bringing me some phones. So we'll see. He's supposed to bring me some phones, and when he brings me these phones or these watches, he's gonna cut me a deal because I guess he understands how much he inconvenienced me. So we'll see. We're gonna see exactly what he's talking about, and I'm making a profit no matter what. You feel me? That's the main goal. We gotta make profits. We don't got time to waste. This car right here just got put on fire. I don't know how the heck it got put on fire. As you see all that little debris on the ground, that is debris from a fire extinguisher. So that's really scary. Hope everything is okay, which it looks like it is, because the people are right there. So, and I have this book bag on my back because this book bag is a lot of money. Okay, a lot of money. It ain't coming off my back now. All right, so we just waiting for the guy. I'm gonna give him a little bit. He said 20 minutes. I'm here early. I like to canvas the area sometimes before I meet somebody, especially somebody difficult like this person, because I like to just be comfortable in my own space. So, waiting for him right now.
No, seriously, I was driving first. You text me afterwards. Everybody text me. No, seriously, I was driving first. You text me afterwards. Everybody text me.
All right, guys, so as you guys seen, a car caught on fire literally as I was doing a deal, and we had to move spots, hurry up and get the deal done. I ended up getting some phones and also some speakers, some JBL speakers, and we'll go in depth in that later, but we have another phone sale that we're about to do. I'm about to buy 2 iPhone 14 Pro Maxes for $600 each, so that is going to be $1,200. So I'm about to count the money out. All right, so we have the money here. All right, what I like to do is make sure that I have the exact amount of money I'm paying somebody, just in case, right? I don't want no problems, but also you don't want to lose your money, or potentially if you do get robbed or something, you don't want to lose everything. So you always count your money out to make sure that you are good. Okay, now we're about to head to meet them. Currently, I'm gonna wrap up. So I keep my budget money in the house, so the condo sometimes, most likely, just so that I can make sure I have it. Now we got these 2 devices. It's in great condition, so let's get it.